Guys, this might be the video we have to say goodbye to Dale the truck. So I was talking to a guy who knows a guy who has a square body Suburban for sale. And I've been wanting a square body Suburban for quite some time, and I've just never really acted upon that. Well, tonight I'm going to look at one. So let's go take a look at this Suburban. I don't even know what year it is, color, options, I have no idea. I just know it's a Suburban, been sitting for about 20 years inside a storage facility. Don't even know what that looks like. Is it a barn find? Maybe. I don't know. Anyways, let's go take a look.
The exhaust system was when I bought it. See, I even need one of those for my 86, but I wouldn't strip anything. I didn't want to strip anything off of this.
That was a big 454.
Yeah.
Get a whole, what, 7 miles to the gallon, maybe?
Oh, no, some of these are better than that. That black truck of mine's only 13. This here should be half decent. You have to try it and find out. But I forget the mileage on this. We didn't have a ton of miles on it.
That's too bad those great big mirrors were on there and caused that rust in the door.
Yeah,
That's
it's too bad, but you could fix that though. You could take them inserts out and you could fix those. You know what I did on my 87, so I didn't have to weld on the doors? A guy gave me a tip on it. You know that plastic screening you buy?
yeah.
I took that and I glued that with to get the epoxy stuff on the inside, so that, and then I body filled all that and bought that out. And he said, if you do that, you'll never see where that was fixed. And the holes in the side of that truck box I got in there on that 87, I did that, and you can't see where I fixed that whole box where the molding was on it and stuff.
Really?
So that's what I do with that right there. I just pop those inserts out. And
Well, and the benefit of it too is that
see, you don't have to weld. See,
no.
If you take them out, take your upholstery out, and that screen your stuff, and you epoxy that on the inside, and then when you fix that, then that will bond right into that screen, and you won't see that. Eh?
Yeah.
Those fenders, they're decent.
yeah, really good shape there.
So you could fix that without having to weld on those doors.
Yeah, the old headliner's seen better days for sure.
Yeah, been sitting here so many years. Eh?
Got the typical sticky steering wheel. Yeah. It's got 115,000 kilometers.
Well, that'd probably be original.
Yep, and that's 115,000 kilometers. That's going to be about what, 65 or 7,000 miles or something like that.
Is it kilometers or miles?
It's in kilometers.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, that's probably what's on it. I bought it from the estate, and the young fellow delivered it from St. John. He went in and changed the registration, and it sat in the yard out there for a while, and I brought it out here. I brought it out on my trailer and drove it in here, and it's been here ever since.
Yeah. So that's good.
If you're going to make that really nice, you're going to take that all apart and fix it nice, eh?
VIN tag's gone. Oh, there it is right there.
Must be still on it somewhere.
Yeah, 0384. So she's an 84. She's got lots of towing capacity. GVR W 8,600 pounds.
86.
Oh, you could haul the house right off the foundation with that. 454 would do it too.
Yeah, look at you got that's got the float rear end in it. My 87 Wrangler I got at the shop from Billy Bridges doesn't have a rear end like that in it.
Yeah.
That thing there, you could lay rubber all day. Burnouts with that all day.
And this was just two-wheel drive, isn't it?
Yeah,
just two-wheel drive.
Yeah. 8 bowl hole.
Yeah. It's definitely overkill for what I would want.
Yeah.
I don't need a 3/4 ton. And chances are I don't dare tell you what I'd do with it because you might not sell it to me. Chances are I'd probably put it on airbags and slam it down to the ground.
Yeah, well, I mean, I don't really, all I didn't want to do was sell it to somebody to take it out and part it out and make it.
So guys, as you can see, it's certainly not the caliber or the same caliber of truck that Dale is as far as the condition of the truck. Interior, really, really good. The dash wasn't even all cracked to pieces. Headliner, minor. We would have to get the headliner fixed. My big concern was the frame was a little bit, I wouldn't say rotten, but definitely crusty. So there's a few things you'd have to fix there. Underneath the driver's side, on the driver's side, underneath the windshield there was a spot where there was a rust hole that you'd have to take the windshield out to fix properly. The rear quarter glass on the driver's side, same thing. At the back, there's a spot there that's going to have to be fixed. 454 and that transmission is not something that I'm interested in at all. I would likely do an LS swap on this rig or some sort of a swap. More modern drivetrain. Suspension, all would be gone anyway, so I would likely swap that out for a half-ton suspension, control arms, airbags, all that sort of thing. Rear, with something had to be done back there as well. So I'm not really interested in all of that stuff, but I also wasn't looking to do a complete body job to get something up and running. I really wanted something that had original paint, patina, character, or something I could buff and polish on just the way it is. I think that one there you probably could, with a few spots you got to touch up. Where those big California highway mirrors were, you're going to have to do something with those doors. And again, you would only have to blend in the paint on that middle red section. Other than that, I did make him an offer. So we'll find out how that goes. He didn't like the first offer, and I asked him where he wanted to be, and so we weren't that far away. We met in the middle with an agreed upon price, potentially. He says he's going to think about it and let me know. I don't even know what that means. So I think within a couple of days here, we should know something. The truck's not going anywhere. He's not actively trying to sell it, and I have given him an offer pretty reasonable or close to what it is he was hoping to get out of it. So stay tuned, and I will keep you updated on this venture, and we'll see what the future of Dale the truck has to hold, because if I do buy either this Suburban or a Suburban, then I'm going to need some cash flow to do that build, and well, unless I sell Dale, I won't have it. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. Do you think I should be selling Dale to go with a Suburban, whether it be a newer one or an older one or whatever? Would you watch those videos if I created some content based on, engine swapping, body work, airbags, complete suspension, all that sort of stuff on an 84 Suburban Silverado? Because if you would, again, let me know. Otherwise, one of the reasons why I do some of these projects isn't just because I like the work, but it's because I want to create some content for you guys. So if you're interested, be sure to let me know. And the best way to support this channel is by watching these videos, giving it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed. We're very, very close to hitting 20,000 subscribers on this channel. So if you guys could make sure you're hitting that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it very much, guys. Stay focused on the windshield, not the rearview mirror. I love you. God bless. Let's do it again really soon.